Isabgol, found commonly in all Indian households, is actually an Ayurvedic remedy, and Ayurveda uses it for a lot of health problems, and it is highly researched in modern medicine too as a food supplement. Ayurveda uses it to improve your gut, your heart, your cholesterol, skin, bones, everything. And today we'll discuss Isabgol in detail. So for gut first, Isabgol as per Ayurveda is sweet, cooling, nourishing, snigdha, or provides moisture or hydration to your body, and heavy to digest. It is guru, complex to digest. So where do I use it? Number one is acidity. If you have frequent acidity where you have acid reflux and khatta khatta lagta hai, at that time 1 teaspoon Isabgol mixed in water, thanda pani, with a little rock sugar or mishri had thrice in a day settles your acidity as it absorbs acids. Number 2, for constipation, use around 1 to 2 tablespoons mixed in warm water or milk at night after your meals. Number 3 is diarrhea. Isabgol in small quantities absorbs water and reduces your bowel movements and reduces diarrhea too. Used in IBS and common loose motions, works really well. कैसे use करना है? Take 1 teaspoon, just dry roast it in a bit of ghee, mix it with curd and have it thrice in a day, and you will see amazing results. Use it and let me know. Now coming to the heart, it is not just for gut, it is so heart friendly that modern medicine has researched it for using in reducing cholesterol. So when you take Isabgol, say around 7 to 10 grams daily, first thing in the morning, so what does it do is it reduces bile, it reduces cholesterol on regular intake, and there are studies which prove that it helps lower LDL cholesterol too, and it is safe to take. Number 3, for weight loss. So there are studies which show that if you take just before your meals around 1 teaspoonful, it improves your satiety, reduces hunger pangs, and reduces calorie intake, helps maintain weight. So it can be used as a fiber. क्योंकि ये मीठा होता है, it is madhur. Ayurveda also suggests that you start your meal with something which is sweet. So it works in both ways. It helps people who want to combat obesity. Now for skin, since it is hydrating and holds on to moisture, I use it as a face pack when I feel skin is a little dry along with milk. Apart from that, Ayurveda suggests that you can use this pack on osteoarthritis when there is inflammation, and also on gout related inflammation when there is a lot of swelling and pain. So these are the ways to use Isabgol. Isabgol, to summarize, is great for people who suffer from gut problem, acidity, IBS diarrhea, IBS constipation both, cholesterol issues, heart problems, people who want to lose weight. It also helps regulate glucose metabolism. So people with diabetes can take it safely. There is no harm in taking it. And of course, locally you can apply for gout and for hydrating your skin. Isabgol can be taken for a longer duration. You can take for maybe a month or 2 months and then give a gap. Your bowel automatically regulates. If you have liked what I've shared, hit your like button, share it with people who are health conscious, and subscribe if you want to know Ayurveda secrets backed by modern research. I'm Dr. Manisha Mishra, and this is all about Isabgol.